Hey guys, this is Candy. Welcome back to my channel. I do hope that you guys are enjoying the holiday season. Yeah, so today we're getting into the video right away. No delays, no hesitation. So we are doing another one of our very favorite Yankee Twist crochet braids. Of course, we already started the process. You guys have seen this braid pattern like a million times. However, this is the most important part of this hairstyle, the foundation, the braid pattern. And so I thought I would take just a little bit of time to show you guys how I do it. I'm braiding the braids in an upward direction. Yes, I already completed that process. Don't worry guys, I will link another video showing you guys in detail how you can achieve this. Now once you braid all of the hairs upwards on the side of the head, then you want to connect all of those braids going down, and so I'm gonna just do one cornrow going all the way down, and that cornrow is going to just connect all of those braids and give you your very first braid going backwards. All right. And guys, I can't stress how important it is to pay keen attention to the braid pattern. It will make or break the outcome of your style. So having connected all of the braids on this side, we're going to go ahead and just connect the braids on the right side also. And once that is out of the way, we're going to, start braiding everything backward and installing your cornrows. Yes, so I'm just, installing the cornrows all the way back for the very second one, and then for the third one we're gonna skip that row and start the fourth row. Why? Because this is where I'm gonna be creating the braids for my parting. So I just cross over that braid and braided it down in the previous row, and then the one before that I will braid it to that point, cross it over, and then braid it down to the other row. Yeah, and just like that we are well on the way with the process, just continuing to braid back. And I know if this is not a detailed enough, I would definitely will link another video showing you guys a ball by ball commentary of how I create this braid pattern. Okay, but what we're doing is just ensuring that the tail of one braid is joined with the tail of another, and it will end up with one main final tail, which I'm going to use the crochet tool to weave in and out of the braid until it's no longer visible. And once you do that, then the braid pattern is complete, the foundation is ready, and then the next step is just to go ahead and start with the installation of the hair. Speaking of hair, the hair that I'm using today is from my favorite brand, Crochet Braids Plus. Yes, and the color that we are using is this beautiful brown sugar. This is an amazing ombre color, starting with the dark color, transition into a deep brown, or a light brown rather, and then ending off with a blonde. Now this is what the braid look like. It actually is a twisted kind of kinky curly hair, and it is just so natural looking, very natural feeling, and it's just long lasting. It is not human hair, let me declare that. A lot of people are inquiring if it's human hair, mainly because of the price, but I can assure you the quality of the hair is comparable to human hair, and it is actually reusable. So you can actually remove the style. I have a video showing you how to remove the hairstyle easily so you can reuse it. All right, so yeah, having attached, this is 2 packs thus far. You can see how nice and full 2 packs is. You can see the color gradient, how it transitions beautifully. And to install, I just insert my crochet tool, open the little loop and pull the hair through, and I just do 2 knots. You don't need to do multiple knots or many knots in order for it to be secured. 2 is sufficient. So this is how the hair is it is twisted, and so yeah, there is a natural loop at the top. Hook that to the needle, pull it through, and then just pull the hair through the loop twice or 3 times if you would like, and you're good to go. Attach, close, pull through, open the loop, and it's not hard for you to open the loop at all. For some crochet hair, you have to fight to actually expand the loop, not with the Yanky Twist. All right, so now I'm on the final 2 rows, which is the row where the part will be. And because the hair is not 2 separate pieces, it's twisted together, so it's one piece of hair. I have to try to create somewhat of an invisible look. So when I'm knotting the hair, I actually lay it over to the left side before I tighten it, and then I flip it back over to the right. And that somewhat gives it like a raised look, and that helps to disguise the cornrows. All right, so again, opening the loop, attaching, closing the latch hook, pull it through, and insert the hair and knot it 2 times, and then I lean it over to the left, use my fingers to actually tighten the hair as far down as possible, then flip it over. Yeah, and it does give you the illusion as if it is, you know, a knotless method, when it really it isn't. All right, but you can get away with doing this method and it still looks natural. You're not seeing a bunch, and because the hair is so tiny, you're not going to see a whole lot of bulky knots. So either way, you're good. Yeah. So now we're going to go ahead and do some highlights with this blonde mix. Yes, the color is called blonde mix. Yes, or mixed blonde. You will see it on their website when you're searching. It's either blonde mixed or mixed blonde. I will try to actually confirm and put that in the description below. And so you guys can get the exact color if you would like to achieve the exact look. All right, so I'm just putting them in random places. Random, yes, but yeah, still some strategy to make sure that it is, you know, evenly distributed and that you're seeing the highlights from all angles. So I am just putting one over to the side, and then I'm putting a second one not too far from it. Attach, close, pull it through, and then secure. And then you flip it over. Yeah. And then I'm going to do the same thing over the other side, because there has to be some balance. In my opinion, you can't just add a couple pieces of blonde on one side without, you know, creating some type of symmetry or balance with, you know, the hair on the other side. And also I would go ahead also and put a couple pieces in the back, so it does look like, you understand me, it is highlighted throughout the entire head. So even if you don't put highlights underneath on the parts that isn't showing, you have to at least put it on the top portion where it would show through. And I did go ahead and use all 5 packs of the brown sugar, and then just a couple pieces from the mixed blonde color. So it's pretty much 5 packs and a few pieces. But this is the outcome, guys. Look at that color combination. Very beautiful, very pretty. The hair is in the medium length, if I didn't mention that before. You know, the hair comes in, I think, short, medium, and long. This is the medium length. And yeah, this is the outcome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for making it natural hair dynamics, and I will talk to you on my next one. Stay tuned because we will be coming with more bangers. Peace.